Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival, and joining me for this segment, we have Celine Le Cotonnec. She's the Chief Data Officer at AXA Insurance Singapore. We're going to discuss transforming an organization to be AI ready. Celine, thanks so much for joining us at the conference. And what are some of the basic foundations that insurance companies need to become AI ready?
So, insurance company, as well as any other traditional player, wants to become AI ready. First, need to invest in a platform, a good data platform, in order to be able to run some, machine learning or more advanced model. Second, the culture and the people, upskill them, make them aware, change the processes around it. And then third, I would say the third pillar is the data management, the data quality, the way you're capturing the data, enhancing your data policy, ethic in data, data privacy. The three of those are the main pillars if you want to be data driven and later on AI ready.
All right, so what do you think some of the main blockers are in the financial services industry to become data driven?
I think that there's a lot of mix-up in the financial industry about what AI and what innovation is. It's not only about tech. It's a lot about process re-engineering, because this is a very old industry based on legacy system with a lot of heavy compliance and manual reporting that has been going for the past dozen of years. And there's a real question of mindset. People in the financial industry don't always know what is out there, how it can help them to be better, to be more efficient, to be more customer centric. And so we have the habit of saying that actually any transformation, whether it's data or the implementation of a digital platform, only 20% is tech. 30% is processes. How do you re-engineer your process in order to be data-driven or digital? And 50% is culture and mindset. How do you upskill the people? How do you help them to envision themselves into what their role will be in 5 or 10 years' time? Well, most of the process will be automated or digital.
All right, and to wrap up here, how will the use of data transform the insurance industry? Because I feel like out of all the industries, insurance, there's so much information running through there that data can really make it become more efficient and more predictive.
Yeah, so any implementation of data and AI product would make us from a reactive payer of claim to a proactive partner into our customer life. For me, the deployment of AI in insurance will help us to be closer to our customer, be able to propose the right insurance at the right time of our customer journey, and we will go from being reactive industry, waiting for claims to happen, and to get the information, most of the time through paper, to a more predictive partner where we would support our customer into reducing their risk, into calling them, saying, hey, you're diabetic, you are diabetes type 2, you should not eat that much sugar, you should do more stuff. And this is what AI, IoT, and data in general will enable us to do in the future.
All right, Celine, thanks so much for joining us at the Fintech Festival. And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.